Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are back out at the train tracks. Say what?
Is that a train light down there? Is that a house light that just kicked on?
It was probably a house light, I cannot tell. Yeah, that was a house light. So we're just waiting on the train now. We can hear a train.
I see his light.
Yeah, train coming this way. Alright guys. Get it to it.
Jay, he's on that rail.
I'm aware.
Let's move.
Let's stay about right here so that we don't get in trouble.
Yeah, you can see the crossing going down and you see the flashing down there.
Yes, I'm in this mask with a winter coat and pajama pants. Isn't that?
Hi. I see him.
Oh no, it's on this rail.
Over here, off the track.
Train is on this rail.
Off the track.
Train has appeared on that rail, on that close rail.
He's on the far track. Looks like.
You guys can see him down there.
Let's move. Right.
Yeah, guys. We need to stay out.
Here at night. Because one wrong step, you're tumbling.
Yeah. No, he is on the far track. Never mind. It looked like he was on this rail. Don't forget cab number.
I know. You're gonna have to take the picture though.
Yeah, I'm aware. Let's just wave to him instead of signaling him to honk. Yeah! 971 10-4.
I think we know him. Hold on,
We might.
Take my glove.
We might know him.
We might know him.
It is starting to snow, guys, so
Oh shit, I accidentally ended the video, I think. Yeah, I did.
just make it into a second part.
No, because I paused it mid-train. So it looks like
That's true.
974.
Yeah. No, you said 971. Huh?
Did you take a picture?
Yeah,
Let me see.
I can. I'm recording.
No, we know 874. That was
874. That's right, yeah.
It was 974. I got a pretty good engine.
Huh?
I got a pretty good engine last time. It had one cab and the 2 DPUs.
Yeah. Remember, this only had one cab, so it might have a DPU. Because from what I've seen, trains with one cab have had DPUs. Although it looks like
snowing?
yeah, although it looks like this train's coming up to an end. I'm gonna move a little bit closer.